Okay, so we're going to do video number 3. This is our statement of retained earnings. Okay, so whenever you're doing a statement of retained earnings, you need to remember this very basic equation. Is beginning retained earnings plus your net income minus your dividends equals your retained earnings. If you keep that in mind, your beginning retained earnings plus net income minus dividends is going to tell you exactly what you need to do on your statement of retained earnings. Just like our income statement, our total revenue minus total expenses told us exactly what we needed to do for our income statement. Okay, so we come over here, we go put in our information. So this is Thomas Magnum PI account. Oops. This is our statement of retained earnings right there. And this is for 3/31/16. The quarter. Okay, so now I just plug those things in. First, I go beginning retained earnings. Our beginning retained earnings, if we come back over here, that information will be right here under other data. So you might have that tomorrow. I don't know. You might have some retained earnings you have to pop in there. But right now, we have nothing. None of these say retained earnings, right? So I come back over here, my beginning retained earnings are 0, right? Then I need to add that to my net income. So my net income, I actually just found my net income on my income statement, right? That's why these things flow together. Since I found my net income, I can put it into my statement of retained earnings. My net income is $6,680. So I pop over here. My net income is going to be 6,680. And there we go. So I know it's going to be beginning retained earnings plus my net income minus my dividends, right? So I come over here and I find my dividends. My dividends are $600, right? And we didn't add any dividends. There's no changes, no adjustments there. So my dividends are 600. So it's going to be minus my dividends. So here I do dividends and put that in the credit, $600. You can also put it here in parentheses. Either way, dividends are going to be subtracted. So all of that together will be your ending retained earnings. Ending retained earnings. So I simply take my 6,680, 6,680. I subtract 6,680, subtract my $600 from it. My ending retained earnings are going to be $6,080. Okay. Now I make this a little bit bigger so you can see it, and I underline it, and there you go. That is our statement of retained earnings. Beginning retained earnings plus my new net income for this year minus my dividends paid out will equal my ending retained earnings. Hopefully that was helpful. Talk to you later.